Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where maths become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of all levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other competitive exams. Today problem is x plus 500 cube equals 20 minus x. You have to find the value of x. So we will solve this question as we will make a changing here as x plus 500 cube. This will be plus x equals 20. Because this is minus x, it will goes to plus x. Now we will make inside bracket function here x plus 500 cube. Outside we again make x plus 500. If we add 500 to the left hand side of the equation, we will also add 500 to right side of equation. So this will become equals x plus 500 cube plus x plus 500 and this equals 520. Now let's make a supposition here as we get let x plus 500 equals y. So what will we get? Y cube plus y equals 520. Now we will solve this as we write y cube plus y and 520 can be write as 512 plus 8. So that means y cube plus y and 8 8s are 64. Now we will check 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32 and then 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 512. That means we get this as 8 cube plus 8. Now we will arrange this as y cube and this will be minus 8 cube plus y minus 8 equals 0. Now we arrange this a cube minus b cube as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b squared. That means we get y cube minus 8 cube as y minus 8 into y square plus 8y plus 64 and this will be plus y minus 8. Now take y minus 8 as common from this. We get y square plus 8y plus 64 plus 1. So we get this equals y minus 8 into y square plus 8y plus 65 equals 0. Here we have two values of y. Write this here. Y minus 8 equals 0. So y is 8. Then otherwise you have to solve this as 65. Make the factors of 65. So we will arrange the other equation. We will write this here the x equals x plus 500 equals y. We have made this supposition. So for the other one, that is y square plus 8y plus 65 equals 0. We have to arrange this y square. This is the square of y. This is the 8y. That can be write as plus 2 into 4y. 2 into 4 and y. That means 60 plus 16 minus 16 plus 65 equals 0. So this will become the whole square of y plus 4, and this will be plus 65 minus 16. We get 49. That means y plus 4 square equals minus 49. Now we will convert this on whole square and get the final result as y plus 4 equals plus minus 7 iota because of root of minus 1. So y equals minus 4 plus minus 7 iota. Now we have to find the value of x. So first we have x plus 500 equals y, but the y is 8. That means x plus 500 equals 8. So x equals 8 minus 500, that is minus 492. This is the value of x. Now we will find for the other one its value. This is the first root. So for the other one we have x equals we have supposed that x plus 500. So x equal y minus 500. So the value of y is minus 4 plus minus 7 iota. So minus 500. So this will become minus 504 plus minus 7 iota. Now we will write the final answer in the middle. First is x equals minus 492 and y equals minus 504 plus minus 7 iota. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.